Hi there! Today we're talking about this. That's a fire alarm or a fire siren because, well, it doesn't detect any fire but it makes a lot of noise, so it's a speaker. And it has a dip switch. And with that dip switch you can select up to 32 different sounds according to where you live. There are sounds for Sweden, for France, for everywhere, according to all kind of norms. And that's the installation guide. You see there are all kind of mounting instructions, and we have the ROSHNI LP /SV. So for those who are interested. The interesting part is the backside with the list of all the different sounds we can program with the dip switch. 32 different tones, sounds, sirens, alarms, like Swedish, France, or universal, all kind of stuff. First of all, I check if the volume switch is in the low position because I don't want to damage my ears. Then I set the power supply to 9 volts, that's the lowest voltage according to the manual where this device operates, also to reduce the noise level. There is one positive connector and 2 negative, or 2 grounds, and the 2 negatives are to select 2 different sets of sounds, but the second set is a little bit boring. You can see it here, it's the second row, it's mostly 14 and 4, that's the sound number, and sound number 1, that's the first row. You can see the setting and the name of it. Okay, let's skip some sounds and go directly to the French fire alarm sound. Let's see how that sounds like. The name of the next sound is called Swedish air raid. So you better don't hear that sound in Sweden. Alright, now it's time to give you an impression how loud this thing actually is. I turned the power supply up to 24 volts. And the volume switch to high settings. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.